There's a huge mistake that almost everyone is making when they're trying to make money online. I see it over and over again with brand new entrepreneurs. And if I'm being completely honest, I used to make the same mistake myself. Want to know what the big mistake is? Well, the mistake is not using online or AI apps to automate your online business so that you can make money passively when you're not even working. Now, you might be thinking, how can you make money when you're not working? To do that, you need the help of online or AI tools to create automations that replace some of the time-consuming tasks that you usually have to do yourself to make money online. Don't believe me? Well, to prove it, I'm going to share 3 of my favorite online or AI apps and how you can use them to work smarter, not harder, to make more money within your online business or side hustle. This video is part of a new series on my channel where I share the newest automation and AI apps with all of you. So before I share the first app, make sure you subscribe and save this video for later so you don't lose it. Also, make sure you watch all the way to the end because these apps are in no specific order, and you might be surprised which one is at the end. Now, let's get started with app number 1. Now, I'm going big with the first app on this list because this app is one that allows you to automate almost every aspect of your online business. The app I'm talking about is 𝗬𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗏. I've added a link down in the description if you want to check it out. 𝗬𝗬𝗧𝗏 is an all-in-one app that allows you to create and add marketing automations to your business quickly and easily. You can create automated funnels, landing pages, and emails with their simple drag and drop editor, even if you're a complete beginner. These automations allow your business to run for you, generating income 24/7 even when you're asleep. 𝗬𝗬𝗧𝗏 even has a feature that I haven't seen any other all-in-one marketing tools have, and that's the ability to create automated marketing quizzes. Quizzes are an amazing way to automate getting new customers in a fun and engaging way. And studies have shown that adding quizzes to your funnels or website can increase conversions by up to 40%. I love 𝗬𝗬𝗧𝗏 because it allows you to automate getting traffic and sales in really unique ways, without having to ever leave the app. Automating traffic and sales allows your business to run 24/7 for you, even when you're not working. This increases your income and also increases your free time. It's a win-win. If you want to test out 𝗬𝗬𝗧𝗏 for your own online business or side hustle, just tap the link down in the description. Now, let's move on to app number 2. If you're running an online business or side hustle, you know that one of the most time-consuming tasks is video content creation. There's long-form videos like the one you're watching right now, and also short-form content like YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Instagram Reels. But I found an AI app that can automate your short-form video creation process, taking it from hours to just minutes to create. The app I'm talking about is called 𝗬𝗏. There's a link to this app down in the description for you if you want to follow along. 𝗬𝗏 AI allows you to take any long-form video from YouTube and turn it into engaging shorts in just seconds. All you have to do is copy the URL from any YouTube video. I'll use one of mine for this example. Then paste it into this box right here. Then you'll see the AI gets to work, and in just a few minutes, it's created 6 different shorts that I can now download and post to my channel. It automatically edits, reframes, and adds engaging captions in just minutes. You can even edit the short in their easy-to-use editor if you want to change anything about the videos. 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏 AI saves you hours when creating your short-form content, and you can download the content and post it on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Automating your content creation will allow you to free up more of your time so you can focus on doing what you want while still making the most amount of online income inside your business or side hustle. To try 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏 for your content creation, tap the link down in the description. Now, let's move on to app number 3. The next app on this list is one that you probably didn't even know you needed, but it can save you so much time and also save you from losing out on making money. By now, I'm sure you're aware that you can automate your text-based content creation with AI. Apps like ChatGPT can write emails, blogs, and articles for you in just seconds with simple prompts. But there's a big problem most people don't know about when it comes to AI-generated text. The problem is, it sounds like AI-generated text. It can sound robotic, or the content can be low quality. And some platforms are even banning AI-generated text altogether. But that doesn't mean that you can't use AI to help you write text-based content. You just need to do it in a smart way. That's where 𝗶𝗳𝗂𝗧𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 nearly undetectable by even the best AI detectors. There's a link to the 𝗲𝗂𝘂 AI down in the description for you. It includes an AI detector that will analyze your AI-generated text to check if it's okay to post. And it allows you to humanize your AI-generated text so that it's safe to use anywhere online. It becomes completely undetectable. It even includes an AI writer that can be used to help you write marketing articles in just seconds that are not detectable as AI-generated text. Phrasely AI allows you to automate your text-based content creation in a way that's fast and safe to use no matter where you post. This allows you to free up more of your time and still make the most amount of money online. Now, all of the apps that I talked about in this video are linked down in the description. But if there's an AI or online app that you love to use that I didn't mention, let me know down in the comments and I'll feature it and your comment in one of my next videos.